In a quiet village surrounded by mountains, lived a young man named Ishaan. He was talented, intelligent, and hardworking. But his mind? Always full, always noisy, always heavy. He felt crushed under the weight of stress, expectations, doubts, and fears. One day, unable to carry the burden any longer, Ishaan whispered, "I need clarity. I need peace." So he set out on a long journey, climbing towards the mountain hut of Master Ryoto, a sage known for his deep wisdom. When Ishaan arrived, he bowed and said, "Master, my mind is overflowing. I overthink everything. Please, teach me how to find peace." Master Ryoto understood everything and smiled gently. He picked up a teapot, and began pouring tea into a cup. The cup filled, then overflowed, and the tea spilled everywhere. Startled, Ishaan exclaimed, "Master! The cup is full. It can't hold any more." Ryoto looked at him and said softly, "Exactly." He then explained to Ishaan that, your mind is like this cup. Full of worries, fear, pride, past pain, future anxiety. How can new wisdom enter a mind already overflowing? If you want peace, you must first empty your mind. Ishaan asked. Then, how can I empty it? The master placed his hand on his heart and said, "Let go. Let go of what you don't need. Let go of what hurts you. Let go of what no longer serves you." Ishaan understood everything. Next morning, as sunlight kissed the mountains, Ishaan whispered, "My cup is empty. Now, I am ready to learn." Ryoto handed him a piece of bamboo and asked, "Do you know why bamboo grows so tall?" Ishaan shook his head and said, "No, master." The master said, "Because it is hollow inside. Empty. Flexible. Strong. It survives storms, because it does not resist them." Then the master advised him, "Be like bamboo, Ishaan. Empty enough to grow. Flexible enough to endure. Strong enough to rise." Ishaan returned home, calm, clear, transformed. When people asked him what changed, he simply said, "I emptied my mind. And I found myself." Moral of the story: to grow, you must make space. To learn, you must open up. To find peace, you must first let go. Empty your mind, and life will fill it with clarity.